So I have one more TIK TOK Shop order to open. I think this one's Focals, but I really don't know. Until I can get into it. I have a lot of things I should be doing today, but I really just can't. My back is killing me. Hopefully I didn't just put my address up there. So, yep, these were Focals that I picked out. So these were all hand selected by me. So, I got 2 of this Grinch. I got 2 of this mint coffee cup. I got all of the Care Bears they had. For whatever reason, on most of these Care Bears, and I don't know why, they just put rainbows on them. So I got the big pink ones, and I'm pretty sure I do have quite a few more of this big purple one coming. But it could be a slightly different purple one. I'm not sure until they get here. And then they had blue in the bigger size. And then in the smaller size, they had the green one. And I have Stitch dressed as Oogie. I have a Santa Stitch. I have Stitch and Grogu. I got one of each of these colors of Minnie, a kind of light periwinkle blue, a kind of minty green, and red. I got this red Care Bear. I got strawberry shortcake. I got 2 of the Grinch hand with the ornaments. The thing I don't like is that these beads go... Oh no, they don't. They go the right way. What am I thinking? So I got those 2. Oh, I got a big yellow Care Bear. A small blue Care Bear. The small ones have different shapes on them. I got 2 Maleficents. 2 of this white Jack. Jack and Sally. I got 2 of this Jack and Sally. And these are different than the ones I got. See, like these Jacks were gray. These ones are white. And then I'd gotten this Jack and Sally, where Sally's this kind of brown color. I got 2 angels. I got 1 little Hello Kitty, 1 Garfield, 2 little Hello Kitty heads, 1 Pebbles, 1 Giants logo, 1 penguin, and I got 2 of this Stitch in the Olaf costume. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 23, that's 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. these ones, when you buy them like this, they're like really serious about you get what your numbers. But yeah, that's what I got for Focals this time. I don't know, I got the bag back because I'm just going to put them in my bin. But I can try and link some of these shops down below if anybody's interested. It's a little confusing sometimes at first when you start ordering from them. Usually there's somebody that has ordered from them before that can kind of walk you through it, but not always. So, but yeah, I'm getting a good stash worked up. So, and I do have more that are all just random actual Focals coming. So we'll be able to work through some of these, and we'll probably need to stock up on pens before we get too far into the Focals. So yeah, that is it for now. TikTok shopping. So let me know if you've ordered any supplies from any TikTok shops, if I'm missing anybody. Great. I just think it's fun to sit there and like watch them pick your orders live and stuff, and interact with them. So that is it. I will see you next time.